everybody. What we got here is a set of mystery pliers. I'm using the other camera, that way you can get close up on these things. I have had these for years. And they are, get a tape measure up for you guys. Approximately 6 inches long, give or take. The handles on them are just under 2 wide. The points are I'm trying to do this as best possible. About 2 inches. These pliers are, well, I'm not going to say they're used a lot, because they're not. But there's zero play in these kits. I mean, like, none at all. And they were all rusty when I got them many years ago. And they were wire wheeled down, so no writing. Anywhere's in them. But they're not a flat rubber grip, they are a tight cushion grip. I see that Snap-on made a pair like these, Mac did, German brand. And I don't know what brands these are. If anybody, and I mean anybody, has an idea, post it down in the comments. Help me out here. Like I said, they've been awesome pliers. Zero play. Even the handle side to side, there is no play in the handles at all. This is back when pliers are made. The precision that they use to make these pliers, that I can't tell you for sure how old they are. I just know I've had them for a while. It's crazy. But they are so fine that fit this. The whole damn needle nose. I mean, we are looking at, the biggest, maybe 1/4 inch. Down here, probably 1/8 of an inch, not even 3/16. No, probably 3/32 down here. But yeah, let me know if you ever seen these pliers. What brands it could be. I'd like to get another set, to be honest with you. And see what other sets there were. Later, folks.